Battle of Yultong, 900 Filipino natalo ang 40,000 Chinese army to protect and defend South Korea during the Korean War. Pag-usapan natin ang Battle of Yultong. So during the 1950s, meron Korean War. Naglalaban ang North Korea at South Korea. The Chinese were helping North Korea, habang United Nations was helping South Korea. So some United Nations countries nagpadala ng mga troops ng military to help South Korea during the war. At isa na doon ay the Philippines. During the Battle of Yultong, hindi na to kinaya ng ibang bansa katulad ng Amerika at ng Turkey. Philippines na lang. And look at the numbers, nakakakaba kasi 900 Filipino soldiers versus 40,000 Chinese soldiers. Ang rami. Pero hindi nagpatalo ang 10th Battalion Combat Team. Imagine nyo, 1 Pinoy to 40